Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to unlock your iPhone 8 from Xfinity. Alright, so maybe you're using Xfinity Mobile or you have an iPhone 8 from Xfinity Mobile, but you want to unlock it to be able to use it on another carrier, either here in the US or anywhere in the world. So if your phone is from Xfinity, most likely it's locked and you'll have to unlock it to be able to use it with other carriers. So in this video, that's what I'm going to be showing you how to do. So first off, before we get into the video, go ahead and please give this video a like. It really helps the channel out a lot. And also remember, there's going to be all the links and details down below in the description. So without further ado, let's go right into the video. So first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to remove your SIM card. So here we have the Xfinity SIM card. I'm going to take it out. So let's go ahead and place another SIM card that you're going to want to use. For example, in this case, I'll just put in T-Mobile. But it doesn't matter, any SIM card that you put in, it's going to do the same thing. So it's going to automatically take you to this screen right here, which is a activation screen. You're going to have to connect to Wi-Fi. And then here you're going to go through the prompts here, and it's going to try and activate the phone. Okay, so it's going to give you this message right here, SIM not supported. That means that the phone is locked to another carrier and it's not being supported with the SIM card that you put in there. So I'm going to show you how to fix this. So let's go ahead and remove the SIM card really quickly. Let's put that down and the phone down as well. Okay, so what we're going to be using is this unlock chip right here. This unlock SIM card is going to unlock the phone to use it with any carrier. There's going to be a link to get it down below in the description. So you're going to place it in the SIM card tray like that, very carefully. It's super thin, so it fits in there perfectly. And there's going to be enough space to place the SIM card that you're going to use right above it, like that. See, you can't even tell it's in there pretty much. So once you have it in there with the unlock chip, go ahead and place it back in with your SIM card and the unlock chip. And once again, it's going to take us to this activation screen here. So we're going to go through these steps here to try and activate it once again, but now with the unlock chip in there. Okay, so it's going to give us this message once again, but this time we're going to do something a little bit different. Now that we have the unlock chip in there, we're going to hit the home button. We're going to go to emergency call. Here we're going to dial *5005 *7672 *0# and then hit the dial button. And then, so this menu is going to pop up. We're going to go down to edit ICCID, and here we're going to type in the current ICCID, which will be in the description of the video as well. So 8901 4104 2778 0604 9510. Alright, once you have it completely typed in, hit send. And it's going to give us this message right here, setup OK, restart your phone now. So hit accept, and let's power the phone off. Alright, so once the phone is completely powered off, let's power it back on. Remember, make sure you always leave the unlock chip in there with your SIM card. And so here we're going to have to go through these selections here as well. Continue. Touch ID later, don't use. Okay, so as you can see here, it already picked up the signal and it's letting us go through all of these steps here to activate the phone. And there you go, the phone is activated, unlocked. If you have service with your SIM card, it will pick up signal right away and data as well. So your phone will be unlocked like that, very simple. That was just a quick video how to unlock your iPhone 8 from Xfinity Mobile. So Hope that video was helpful to you guys. Please give it a like. Also share if it was helpful. And I will see you guys around in the next video. And as always, peace.